Hi, this is 2006 Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna replace outer thyroid today. To the diagnosis, symptom of bad thyroid, outer thyroid. This part is called outer thyroid, and from here to this, there's the inner thyroid. So basically, just grab in here, and when you do like this, see this freely moving like that. So that's how you determine this is bad. So first of all, we need to open this. There's a, I believe, 17 millimeter right here. There's supposed to be one cotter pin. I don't see the cotter pin in here. This is customer car, so there should be one cotter pin. So take the cotter pin out, then open 17 millimeter. This is 22 millimeter. And the first of all, we need to loosen up this. If you change only these, you don't really have to do much. Just turn the steering wheel, make this straight, like straight. Let's put the 22 millimeter right there. And see, this is loose. So look, this is loose, right? Just tie it up again. Just leave wherever the stop. See this? It's loose. And stop right there. Leave it right there. So make sure the steering wheel is straight. Like this. This is straight now. It's pretty much straight. I'm going to lose the 17 millimeter. So this is loose now. It's not. After that, when you pull, it's not going to come out. You need to hammer it in here, like this. So when you hammer it, eventually it will come out like this. See, this is the bad outer thyroid. Look how it's easily, look, see. So this is the new one. Look how is that. This one, look, this one doesn't know why you can you have to force it to man it. Can't even bend this. This is very, very tight. And this one, look how different. You cannot really do with the hand like this. It's very, very tight. So that's how we determine that's bad. See, this is a cotter pin like there. It come with the cotter pin like this. This pin, let me take it off, show you. This pin. Eventually it will go like, see this hole right there. So straight, when you tie it out, like this is all the way tight, and there is a hole right there. Just put into the hole like this. Cotter pin, go all the way, and just this one just turn upside down, like turn up like this, or bend it so it's not gonna coming out. Hold this nut, hold right there this nut, and just open it up. When you turn like this, see this, put the new one, old one, match it up like it's the same length and everything look like the same, identical. So look at the band shape, everything is same. So after that, simply just turn, just tie it up, that's it. See this? So tie it up until it's hit hit the bottom like there. I think we are done right now, right there. See? So after that, just tie this up. Then this, simply put this in a hole like so. Sometimes you need to do little straight up. This is little bend like this, little bend, so I need to straight it up. Just simply put the wrench. Don't damage the thread, just a little bit like this, or just hammer it like this. Tie this nut. See this cotter pin I put from here to there. Just after there, you see this is long end. Just bend it like this. Bend it like this. For that, I'm gonna tie it up this. It's tight now. So after I put the tire, if this is like you wanna do the toe, like you wanna come this side out, this side in. Look like I need to take little bit this side out. So basically, just I'm gonna lose this out, this knot again, and after that I'm gonna turn this one. You have to loose it up. So this 15 millimeter, if I turn, like if you turn this way, is the roller is this side is coming out, back side, not the front side is going in. So this side is coming out. Or if you do this like this, so if you do like this, this side is coming out, this side is going in. So remember that. You can see when you loose or tie it up, it will go in and out. Or another way you can do it, just open this, and from here close this, and this one, if you want to take this back this way, just loose it up like this, it will come this way. Or if you want to bring this one inside, just tie it like this, so it will go inside like this. That's the easy way, I think. So the only thing you have to open the tire and see that it's straight or not, or you can do the measure. There's with the tape, the front and back toe. So that's how you change this outer tie rod. Thank you very much, guys.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.